Hello and welcome. Today I show you a nice camping or beach bed that you can set up anywhere and you can even keep in your car. You can have a few of these in the car and they don't take much space. This is all. You see, this is one bed. It's pretty compact when it's packed in the back of the car, and you will see how I set it up. It's really pretty interesting how it's made. Just going to a place in the shade here so it's not getting too burned by the sun. So here should be alright, here should be fine. It's a bit windy, so that's nice. In the shade it's pretty breezy, so it gets a bit fresh. Yeah, this is really nice for a hot day to stay in the shade and just enjoy the sea breeze. So I'm gonna put the actual camping bed. I'll move it a little bit, just right here. Yeah, this is pretty nice. So how I open it, you just unfold it. Pretty simple, right? I unfold it and then it has an interesting smart trick here. It even has a pocket and it has a few straps. And this strap here is actually what will keep it up. So you can have your head a bit above the rest of your body, so it's really like a lounge, like a beach bed, like a sea bed. This is nice for camping. It's very compact, so you could even carry this with you if you go somewhere hiking, but it's better to have it in the car. So this thing, as you see it now, it's ready. All you have to do is just sit on it, lay on it, and you can enjoy it. There is a bit of padding inside this fabric, so it's not very soft, but it's not very thin also. So if there is a bit of some small rocks under, you will not really feel them, so that's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I think about you all the time, so